Good morning, children. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 14, Statistics. So in that chapter we will learn measures of central tendencies. So as we have learned in our class 9th, mean, median and mode are measures of central tendencies. So we learn to find mean, median and mode for ungrouped or discrete data. Now we will learn to find mean, median and mode for grouped frequency distribution. So to find mean, we are given three different methods. So we shall discuss each methods one by one. First method is to find mean by direct method. Second, mean by assume mean method. Third, mean by step deviation method. Now first, mean by direct method. So the formula to find mean by direct method is x bar stands for mean equals to summation, this sign stands for summation or total of fi xi divided by summation of fi. Summation stands for total. So let us solve this method by taking an example. First, finding the mean for class test of 50 children by the direct method. And keep in mind that we will always use this method when the data are very small. When the data are too large, then we will follow the second and third method. So to find the mean by direct method, we have to arrange the data in this following table. First column is class, second is frequency, third is class mark, and fourth is fi xi. And how to find class mark? Lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. So 0 plus 20, 20, 20 upon 2, that is 10. Similarly 20 plus 40, 60 by 2, that is 30. Similarly 40 plus 60, 100 by 2, 50. 60 plus 80 by 2, 70. 80 plus 100 by 2, 90. These are our class mark. And frequency we are already given. Now to find out fi xi, multiply these two columns, fi into xi, 5 into 10, 50, 10 into 30, 300, 20 into 50, 1000, 12 into 70, 840, 3 into 90, 270. So the total of frequency, that is your n. N stands for summation of fi is 50. And the summation of fi xi, that means total of this column. So 50, 300, 1000, 840, 270, and the total is 2460. Now put this value in the given formula. Mean, that means x bar equals to summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. So x bar equals to 2460 divided by 50, which is equals to 49.2 is our mean. Now one more important concept on this mean, that if you are given the mean and you have to find out the missing frequency. It is also important question generally asked in the examination. So here what we are given? We are given the classes and we are given the frequency, but here one frequency is missing. And we are given the mean. Mean is given 21.4. So we have to find out the missing frequency provided you are given the mean. Mean is what? 21.4. So arrange the same data in this table. That means classes, frequency, class mark. So classes are 0 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 24, 24 30, 32 to 40. And frequency is 8, 6, 10, x and 9. Now again we will find out the class mark. That means lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. 0 plus 8 upon 2 means 4. Similarly find out all the class marks. And now find out fi into xi. 6 4s are 24, 7 12s are 84, 20 10s are 200, 28 into x, 28x, 9 into 36, 324. So the total of frequency is what? N equals to 40. And total of fixi is what? Summation of fixi equals to 28x plus 632. These are two different values. Now put these values in our formula, that is x bar equals to summation of fixi divided by summation of fi. So what is our mean? Our mean is given 21.4. And what is summation of fixi? It is 28x plus 632 and divided by what is summation of fi? That is your n, that is 40. So by the simplification this value, you will find x equal to 8. That means the missing value of the frequency for the class 24 to 32 is your 8. So now children, try to solve the questions of mean by direct method. Your NCERT book exercise 14.4 question number 1 and question number 9. Thank you.